See the next problem. Simplify. A squared plus 3ab minus 7b squared plus 6a squared minus 9ab plus b squared, and then minus 11a squared minus ab minus 6b squared. Okay. See, the first two term is positive, right? In this terms is positive and then plus the second term. The third term is negative. So first of all, you have to take the first two term. You can add off in this first two term first. Okay, see here, what is that? A squared plus 3ab minus 7b squared. Now here plus symbol is there, so you have to put plus 6a squared minus 9ab plus b squared. Right? The third term, minus of 11a squared minus ab minus 6b squared. See, first you have to arrange the term. Okay, see here the a squared in this one is 6a squared. So write the first a squared plus 6a squared. After that, see the second term is 3ab. Any other 3ab term is here? Yes, write this. Minus 9ab. Next, minus 7b squared. Right, in this plus b squared. Write the third term, 11a squared minus ab minus 6b squared. Okay, now see here a squared plus 6a squared. So directly you have to write 7a squared. Everybody know this addition, right? Or otherwise you have to take the common value a squared. After that you have to add the constant. Okay, see a squared plus 6a squared means 7a squared plus 3ab minus 9ab. See here 3ab minus 9ab means ab is the common value, so you have to write ab. 3 minus 9. What is 3 minus 9? Minus 6. Already plus symbol is there, so that's why I have to take the minus. Means suppose another sign you have to take means put the bracket. Okay, next b squared is the common value, so you have to put b squared. What is minus 7 plus 1? The value is minus 6. Already plus symbol is there, that's why I have to take the bracket. Okay, next minus of 11a squared minus ab minus 6b squared. Next see here 7a squared plus into minus minus. So minus 6ab plus into minus minus 6b squared. Next in this minus multiple the third term. So what will you get? Minus into plus minus 11a squared minus into minus plus ab minus into minus plus 6b squared. Again you have to arrange the term. Okay, see here 7a squared. Write 7a squared minus 11a squared. Next see here minus 6ab then plus ab minus 6b squared plus 6b squared. This is negative, another term is positive, so directly you have to cancel. Okay, now you have to simplifying in this one, you will get the result. What is that? A squared is the common value, write a squared. See 7 minus 11. In this one ab is the common value, write the remaining constant is minus 6 plus 1. Okay, what is 7 minus 11? Minus 4. Write this a squared. What is minus 6 plus 1? Minus 5. So minus 5 ab is your answer. Clear? What is your simplification? First two term addition, third term is subtraction. First you have to add in this value. Okay, so write in this term, that means remove the bracket first. After that you have to rearrange the term. Then you have to simplifying in this term. A squared plus 6a squared means 7a squared. Similarly, 3ab minus 9ab means minus 6ab. Minus 7b squared plus b squared means minus 6b squared. Write the third term. Then again in this minus multiply inside the bracket, you will get in this term. Again you have to rearrange the term. See here 7a squared and then minus 11a squared. After that minus 6ab plus ab. Here minus 6b squared plus 6b squared is there. So directly you have to cancel. Next in this term, first two term, a squared is the common value. So you can take a squared is the common value. Write the remaining terms 7 minus 11. Here ab is the common value. Write minus 6 plus 1. What is 7 minus 11? Minus 4 a square. Here minus 6 plus 1 means minus 5 ab is your answer. Okay. Now see the next problem. What must be added to 7x squared minus 14x plus 32 to get 9x squared minus 10x minus 15. Okay, see what must be added to in this term to get in this another term. See how can you solve in that one? First the expression to be added to, see the expression to be added to this term 7x squared minus 14x plus 32 is given by, okay, in this term is given by, see first of all you have to write in this term 9x squared minus 10x minus 15 minus of 7x squared minus 14x plus 32. Okay, after that you have to simplifying in this one, you will get the result. See what is your question? What must be added to in this term? That means 7x squared minus 14x plus 32 to get 9x squared minus 10x minus 15. Okay, see here this is your answer. This is one term. You have to find it out the another term. So how can you find it out the another term? See, first you have to write the 9x squared minus 10x minus 15 and then put minus in this expression you have to write. Okay, see you need the another term, that means this is your answer. Okay, one term is this. You have to find the another term. That means, for example, see here, you don't know the another term. Okay, and that term, let us consider x. Plus, write in this expression. What is in this expression? 7x squared minus 14x plus 32 is equal to, you get the solution is in this term. What is that? 9x squared minus 10x minus 15. Right? You need in this x value. Okay. You need in this x value means you have to take the second term, can be written as the right hand side, put minus of in this value. Right? See here. Answer minus. See my answer. And then left hand side in that value you have to take the right hand side, means put the minus symbol. 7x squared minus 4x plus 32. Now you have to simplifying in this one, you will get the result. See here. Okay, that means you have to find the x value. Everybody clear? See, first Write 9x squared minus 10x minus 15. Next, in this minus is the common for in this whole term. So, you have to take minus into plus 7x squared. So, what is that value? Minus 7x squared. Next, minus into minus plus 4x. Minus into plus minus 32. After that, you have to rearrange the term. Okay, see 9x squared and then minus 7x squared. Next, minus 10x plus 4x. Next, minus 15 minus 32. Okay, see, now in this term, x squared is the common. So, what is the remaining value? 9 minus 7. Okay, here x is the common. What is the remaining value? Minus 10 plus 4. Now both are constant value only. Okay. So write minus 15 minus 32. See what is 9 minus 7? 9 minus 7 means 2x square. What is minus 10 plus 4? Minus 10 plus 4 means minus 6. Okay. 4. See here 7x squared minus 14x. Sorry, you have to put 14. 14 minus 10x plus 14. See 14. Now see minus 10 plus 14. What is the value? 4. Plus 4, write this x. See both values are negative. So negative means you have to put the negative sign. After that you have to add in that value. What is 15 plus 32? 32 plus 15 means 7, 4. So minus 47. Everybody clear? Okay. See here. Your question is what must be added to in this term to get the answer is in this 9x squared minus 10x minus 15. That means you have to add two terms. The one term is 7x squared minus 4x plus 32. Another term you don't know that. But you know the answer. Okay. Now you have to find it out in that x value. You need x value means the second term you have to write the right hand side means minus of in that term. So write in this answer. Okay. Minus in this term. After that you have to multiply in this minus inside the bracket you will get in this term. After that you have to rearrange the term. So first you have to arrange the x term, x squared term, then x term, finally constant term. See here x squared is the common, you have to take the common value, write the constant term. Here x is the common value, write the constant remaining value. See here the both are the constant value, directly you have to write. Now what is 9 minus 7? 2x squared minus 10 plus 14 means 4x. Both are the negative term. So you have to put the negative sign. After that you have to add this both value. So 32 plus 15 is 47. So your answer is that means in this x value means 2x squared plus 4x minus 47. Okay. You have to write in that value here. You can check your answer. Okay, see you can take in that x value and then second term add in both value, you will get in this right hand side result means your answer is right. Okay. Now see the next problem. Joseph had rupees 3a plus 75 with him. He spent rupees a minus 35 a minus 35 to buy a book. Find the money left with him. Okay, see what is the question. Joseph had rupees 3a plus 75 rupees with him. He spent rupees a minus 35 to buy a book. Then you have to find it out the money left with him. Okay, first you have to write money Joseph had with him. With him is equal to, what is that? Rupees 3a plus 75. Rupees 3a plus 75. Okay. The next, money spent. Money spent rupees a minus 35. Next, what is your question? Money left with him. With him is equal to, write 3a minus, plus, okay, plus 75 minus, write in this value a minus 35, right? See here, in this 3a plus 75 means the total amount, that means Joseph had rupees 3a plus 75, and then he spent the rupees a minus 35 to buy a book. Now you need the money left with him. So you need of money left with him. How can you find? You have to subtract. Okay. See here, write in this 3a plus 75. In this minus is common for the second term. So you can write minus a. Minus into plus minus a. Minus into minus plus 35. Now you have to arrange the term. See, 3a minus a, then 75 plus 35. Okay, see, here a is the common value, so you can write a, 3 minus 1. Then write the remaining value, 75 plus 35. See, what is 3 minus 1? 2. A plus 75 plus 35, 110. So, money left with him rupees 2a plus 110. Okay. The next problem. From an iron bar of length 20 minus 7x meter, a piece of length 2x minus 1 meter was cut. Okay. Find the length of the remaining iron bar. Okay, see here, what is your question? From an iron bar of length, the total iron bar length is 20 minus 7x meter. A piece of length 2x minus 1 meter was cut. Now, what do you have to find? The length. That means find the length of the remaining iron bar. Okay, see, first, what do you need? Length of the remaining iron bar. So, write length of the remaining iron bar is nothing but, see here, the first total length you have to write. What is total length? 20 minus 7x. See here, 2x minus 1 meter was cut. So you have to put minus 2x minus 1. Okay. Now simplifying in this one, you will get the length of the remaining iron bar. Okay. See, first you have to write 20 minus 7x. Next, in this minus is common for in this whole term. So you can multiply minus inside the bracket. So you will get minus into plus minus 2x minus into minus plus 1. See, first you have to arrange the term. See here, 20 plus 1. Next, minus 7x minus 2x. What is 20 plus 1? 21. See, minus x is the common. So you have to write minus x. What is the remaining value? 7 plus 2. Why you have to put plus 2 and then plus 7? See here, minus is the common value. So you have to take the common term. So minus of x. That's why you have to write 7 plus 2. Okay. See here, then 21 minus, what is 7 plus 2? 7 plus 2, 9x meter. So this is the length of the remaining iron bar. Okay. Thank you.